There are quite a few things I've been figuring out. We don't have anything super intelligent for this time. But I figured out multiple things. The number one thing is that the routing the audio to WSL is not gonna work. It's not gonna work in the way that I imagined. I desired. Wait a minute. Oh, now I can see shit. Can I move this? Can I please move? I can't move it. What's wrong with everything? Anyways. What? Hey, where's that button? We learn about buttons. Okay. So, very importantly, I learned many things about this. Okay, first of all, the pulse audio for Windows apparently, the current version, does not have, it doesn't detect Windows devices, which means you can't route your audio devices to the subsystem. The subsystem will never know that they even existed, or they're supposed to exist, or anything of the sort. So we're screwed on that front. Yeah, pretty much. That's all. That's pretty much all that there is. The only thing I just now actually learned and figured out is that apparently I don't even need the pulse audio server. As long as I have the virtual cable, I can route the output. I can use the virtual cable as the wait, what was it? I had a word there. That's the word. As the input device, I can use the cable output. So virtual cable, I can use it at the input device, and that will bring the Windows sounds over to. And as long as I make every other device send their data to that virtual cable, the audio data goes there, which is good. Bad news is that if I do that, then the microphone doesn't anymore work. Doesn't natively work, so I have to put it on listen to this device, but it doesn't like me either. But then that screws up the whole audio output capture. The audio virtual cable's audio output, because now the microphone is being picked up. Join the bird, join the bombers, join the brainrat, join the fish mist. There's many titles, yes, but those are all real titles for him. Except the bird. Wait, kind of. I'll come back to that. Join the Mac worker. Oh no. John's fallen on hard times. But by dark times. Join the face marker. That is something, I guess. Better than a Mac. Better than that. Better than that. Join the American family. Alright. John can be that. He can be that. That's reasonable. John the barber. I mean, he does look good. He could probably barber very well. John can do a lot of stuff. Oh. That's why that works. I've got a plan. That wasn't a good plan. That was a terrible plan. Didn't work. John the mistake to his family? Oh. He's fine. He's fine. He works for me now. Works with? Join the server blight guy. That is a new one. John's getting all over the place. WSL with him. I can't just mess with this. I don't think that was a legal move. I fixed that, but the kills out of it. This is fantastic. Think bonk. Nothing works as it was intended. John the prisoned? I mean, kind of. He's in a mental asylum, so yes. So yes, he is very much in the prison. And he's not getting out. I'm going bye-bye. Okay, bye. Thanks for stopping by. That doesn't work, this doesn't work. Oh. We hear feedback, yeah, but that's not the important part about this. If only the output device. If only it took one thing. Wait a minute. An idea. Shibana, I need you. Okay, well, that's not right. Oh. What do you mean? Okay, that's getting ridiculous. You can't even full screen yourself? Holy crap. Oh, hey, I got a grand idea. Got a grand idea. Lord, grand idea. I forgot my idea. Hell. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. WSL2 can I don't know if that matters. I don't think this I don't think that matters. Wait, no. My grand idea is falling apart every second. My idea was to only send back the audio from John, but the problem is we already goes to the cable input, which is then automatically routes it to the cable output, which I guess there's no way to really get around it. Wait. Oh, something's about to fall on. That's gonna be great. Whoa. Hello. Do not. So now I do. To only give audio source to cable without the Visual cables. Output. Playing. Sound? That might be... I don't think it's S. I think it's... The more I think about it, it doesn't sound like a good plan. It doesn't... What do you mean it's absolutely possible? Oh... Dude, they really... Google really screwed up Gemini. It's half the time it keeps whining about how it can't do something because it's not safe. But it's just, it is the most safe thing I've done yet. Absolutely, you think it's possible? I'm gonna grab you, throw you at the window because I have no idea how you plan to do that. Yep, I thought so. It's only it automatically plays from it. Virtual cable, specific applications. Any physical output device. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure it's not even set. Yep. Yep. Oh, yep. I'm sure we can make a shit show to them. That's not the plan right now. Yeah, yes, it's more of a tube. What do you mean? Yep. Okay. Okay, bad plans. Okay. So, Apple's audio server is apparently practically useless. I can't argue for its usefulness, considering it does about the same stuff as the default stuff. What a waste. Big bong. Wait, which one? Right. I gotta respond to this. But this is shits and giggles. Jesus, 1 meters. There goes. Yes. Wait, that's a waste. Okay, anyways, output. Okay, so. But what if? But what if? But what if, good sir? What if? What if? What if? I mean, it's a good idea, but what if? What if? Oh my goodness. Wait, what? Where would that go? It doesn't even have an endpoint. Which one of you is it? Huh? Which was which? Who is who? What if? What if? Absolute cinema. Oh fuck, who did I change? I didn't change nothing. You didn't she. I got a plan. The plan of the plans. It's a plan so devious that it might just work. Who said I needed to listen to rules? About oh fuck, I don't think this works. Wait, I don't even know if it would work. What if? What if? What if? What if? What if? You know, I don't know. I was thinking this would work. What if? What if? What if? And this is. Wait. What if? What if? Am I gonna be kidding me? Oh, that's just stupid. That's a stupid thing. I don't like this guy. What do you mean your output device does not matter? You're supposed to obey. I don't think that mattered in the first place, but this one. Why would it not play my sounds in my audio? My output cable. I just like that my cable is so good. Do I only have a single output cable? I want to make another cable. Can I make another cable? How many cables can I have? Okay, how does you work even? I mean, it is a cable, it takes data in, but it doesn't really output it, does it? But it does have an output, I guess. So it doesn't even matter. The basic input cable is the one. Goes to the input, then it goes to output. Output device of cable 16 should. It doesn't work. But why? But why doesn't my thingy work? I wish it worked. I'm gonna place the desktop audio. I don't know why it doesn't play to my nice cable here. Does it? Wait. Is this playing the device? None of us can hear it. Wait, what do you mean none of us can hear it? Then where the fuck are you playing it? Playing the... Actually, do know where it's playing it. Wait. Yeah, well... Okay, now this uses the default device. Why the fuck wasn't my cable? Wasn't my cable good enough for you, huh? I got another cable. I have an idea. That's an idea so crazy. Okay? Hmm. Hmm. But VB cable has one out. Hmm. I have another. I have another one. I have like two. A, B, and C, D. A and B, C and D. A input output, B input output. I am so genius. This can only go well. Okay, okay. Okay. I'm so close to this. I don't fucking know where we are. What do you mean I'm here? Or there? Where am I? So this is the basic cable I have. But I am so much smarter than this singular cable. My brain, so big. I'm gonna get the AB cable. I don't know what the difference between them are. I was gonna get the AB. I don't know if it'll work without a restart, but I'm gonna get it. What do you mean it's €1 billion? I can't afford that. I don't even know if I want to use it. Älkää toistui. Älkää toistui. Well, this isn't really oh shit. They don't even have the optional. this isn't this is not an option. This is I don't know. Wait, it's a very bizarre way of doing this. It's donate somewhere technically, which I don't know how the fuck that works. They're like a charity thing technically, but they force you to pay. So they do everything. They're getting their cake and eating it too. They get all their tax cuts, freedoms, whatever, and they get to charge you money. My God! I wanted to plus test it. There's a bullshit. Gimme. No, I'm not. What if? Did you? I'm being scammed here. Sure. Oh man, it really is trying to scam me out of my money. Okay. Yeah, that's not. I thought it was going to give it free. Yeah, after donation, that's really. It's garbage. Dude, is there any fucking shit? Yeah, there's... Come on, is there any more cables? Come on. There's only one fucking cable. I want 2 cables. I want at least 2 cables. Compiled. Oh my god, these guys are... They have a monopoly on cables. Nobody has cables? No! Where's my cables? I'm not gonna pay for a virtual cable. I just want to see if it even works. This seems highly unprofessional. Oh, shut up, Bing. Ah. Hello. Yeah, but I can't get. Oh, come on, this guy's. That seems like something. Sure. Yeah, that seems right. Hmm. Hmm. It's just for testing purposes. Seems reasonable. I'm only looking to test things, yeah. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about how, like, I found a virtual cable to use. Don't question how and where and why, but I'm a genius. I'm only testing it. I just want to see if this even works. It's rather fun. No, I don't feel like rebooting. I have too many cables. I only wanted one more. Why can't they provide just 2 cables? Did you just default to your own ass? Are you the default? Okay, now that I want to be the supreme okay. I want it to be the supreme default device. Stop it. Stop. If I could stop it, I would. Okay, anyways, remote desktop. Can you, I don't know, like D. That's another word. That's a nice cable. Okay, I have such a plan here. I know what to guess my plan. What the what was I even doing half this time? But does it even matter? Probably not. Wait a minute. Okay, let's think about this in some way. Wait a minute. How's this supposed to work? This doesn't make any sense. It's ridiculous. Oh. I don't know, it works, apparently. Apparently I'm a genius. I don't know how. But I guess that's just how things work in this world. Okay, so you just need 2 virtual cables. Turns out. So, okay, this is the most complicated ass fucking setup I've ever worked with. Thank God I'm eventually moving to native Linux. Okay, best plan. Listen to this device. Okay. How about no? Better plan. Better plan. Better way. Okay. Set up. Keep your default device as whatever. Separately set from application output applications output to fuck, it's input to visual cable, the visual cable, okay, yeah, the visual cable, yeah, okay. And I will play their audio in that virtual cable. Okay, we're making progress. This can only go well. Don't question me. It's a perfect plan. Nobody knows why it was the perfect plan, but it is. Also, why are you the default device? Shut up. Shut. You're the default device. Shh. Guys, this is not how you do this. This is not how you do anything. So I can't hear shit, so that's cool. But why can't I hear shit? This is absolute. This. Oh, I think. Do I need to? I don't wanna. Actually, I do. That's. No. Wait, yes. Yes, I'm a genius. Okay. So this, I think, works exactly in the way that I'm imagining. Okay. Yes. Okay, let's put this on. Okay, my microphone and my not music, but my test file for John. His voice comes through. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, what if properties here? Listen to this device, put it through. Default playback device is my ass, probably. How did you manage that? Oh, I got it. Wait, what? No, I don't get it. It's stupid. Stop it. Okay, you wanna tell me how the hell that works out? So the output device is behaving like a goddamn nonce. I don't know how, actually. You should be playing it back to... Oh. Right, I guess that's what the pulse audio server was for. Right. Isn't it fun? Wait, why don't I just have the output device in my headphones then? You can be the cable output. No, you want to be... Wait. You want to be the... It's getting ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Oh, I say ridiculous. I call ridiculousness. I suppose ridiculousness. Where's my export? I don't wanna see if this works. I can't. Stop complaining. Okay, why is that? Oh, I forgot. Right, that's not how this works. Let's get think about this. Oh, baby, we're in business. We are so in business. Except I think I have my shit broke. And never mind, we're in business. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. We're in business. We are business ready. Actually, I don't think we are. But that's hardly a problem. It's the least of our issues, is it? Wait. Does it need to be that? Okay. It is very specific. Okay, it is specific about its input device. Okay, cool. But what? Wait, no, the output device. But what if the input device? No, it doesn't matter. Okay. Maybe it does. But actually, I think it's that guy. Okay, I don't think it cares about the input device, but it does care about the output device. Okay, so if we imagine stuff, this is gonna get real tricky. They would actually get real tricky. Or just overall problematic again. Okay, we think about this. Jesus Christ. It's input. Ooh, the input device. If let's say we have a game, right? We'll need to have the output device as the cable, as one of our virtual cables. No. That'll go to the subsystem. Through that cable, okay? But we also need to have our we'll also need to have our fucking hell. All the cables just there as well. Okay, well, that's annoying. So yeah, we need to have it'll send the data there, but then because it's the output will be the virtual cable itself, it means that because the output is the virtual cable itself, also that means that if we listen on it, we'll hear the microphone and all the other audio stuff. So that's not good. But if we don't do that, then we won't hear we wouldn't hear the game. Yeah. But hey, at least we can reroute the John's fucking ass there, I guess. Oh crap, this is terrible. What if it sounded? Okay, we send the data. What if we? Can we? Oh man, it's like we could grab the data, the audio data. Okay, would it be simpler if we could just grab the audio data before it's sent to the input device? Okay, it's sent anyway. Oh fuck it, it wouldn't work either. Wow. I don't think we can set two output devices for that sound. I don't think that sound can go into multiple output devices. Outputs. That is a problem. It would be simpler if we had a native system. Then it wouldn't even matter. None of this would even matter. Oh shit. Okay. I think wait to. Can I not get an application whose audio data to multiple places, the multiple outputs. Several ways. These are audio splitting. Yeah, I don't I doubt that's easily achievable. Oh, that's a good coffee. What do you mean? There's a stereo mix. That's not a fucking stereo mix. I'm coming to your house. If you want to talk to me about audio mix, I'm coming to you. I'm coming. Robot mix. God driver is a visual recording device that captures all audio development. What the? Are you even talking about? Very well, stereo mix. Go to sound control panel. Speaker. I think bro's cooked. I think bro's very cooked. It's not working. It's not working. So disabling devices. There is no stereo mixing. I'm finding you. I know where you live. I know where you live. But how is it stereo mix? This is not real. I'm not real. Nobody's real. Nothing's real. Everything's a lie. Can I please have a stereo mix? Can I have audio splitting? Can I please have audio splitting? Audio split. I love it. I think you're very helpful. Okay, here's the problem. There's no stereo mixing. Especially the new ones. Okay, cool. We have in a house. Okay, I was about to ask a stupid question. I stopped myself. As our sounds. Hey, I'm not sure if they're real or not, but that's hardly the problem. Banana or potato? Okay. Oh, holy shit. Okay. What if, brother? What if, how was I supposed to know how to type in voice meter? Oh, is this also? Wait, that's. This seems reasonable. At least, okay, this seems something I can just use out of the box. For free! While we're stuck in limbo installing a million different devices, ask not me. I know the plan. No, I'm not gonna do shit. You're gonna do shit. Oh, what the fuck is voice access? This is the most confusing. I'm very glad that you can hear shit. I think. I don't know. I'm not in charge of this. Why is my voice meter? Oh, okay. How do you use this? This seems like a massive. I don't understand anything. I want to give up. About mommy. Oh, now I've changed something. Can you just perpetually play? Can I do anything that's not stupid? Okay, let's do something very, very simple. There's like a billion of. How am I supposed to differentiate between these voice meters? This is We're clearly not in the right. It did not go well. Okay, what's the chances? What is so? I just started using this. You can't ask money already. Okay, but the default device then. I don't care. Just do something. That's not this. Was it? Which? Don't tell me it's the other media player. I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay, no, nothing's moving. Nobody's moving. How I oh. Oh, I see. Oh. Can I like wait, what do you input device? What? Input. Do I have other do I have output device? What am I fucking what am I output device? Holy crap, you're 46 minutes in, you're late. Current best time is 34 minutes. Get it right. Well, where's the output device? What the hell is an output? Oh, there's a bus. Okay, that's an output. Okay. I am so confused. But it doesn't matter what my outputs are. I want to put my output there. I want to put my output there. You're not even playing it. You're not doing anything. I am complaining. Why can't you have the default system with input device? Wait, why are we even talking about these devices? Why can't you just play my sounds? This is very confusing. Mix down, mix down. I can't understand this. My bridge is small. My brain can't help itself. What do you mean that's you? You're using the. You're an ass. Right. Okay, I can. I'm being bullied here by sound devices. Yes, sound devices. They bully me. They insult me. Holy crap! There's a lot of inputs. It's cool that the voice winner's meter is its own input device, but how the crap am I supposed to listen to it? Oh my god. Is it gonna work? You wanna work? How am I supposed to read this? I can't even read nothing. I'm blind. I don't think that's working. Gotta be honest. Anybody know how to operate the voice meter? I don't know. I'm gonna put them all to my headphones. I don't think they're working. I don't think this is. How do you use this? What the hell is this? I don't know what that means. Stop bullying me. VBank configuration, what's that supposed to mean? I don't know what that means. I'm not audio. Menu. Audio engine. I don't think that's my deal. How do you use this? I don't get any sound to play from this. I'm being bullied by audio devices. Oh, now my Windows media players are multiplying. There's like 4 of them. I'm gonna close this guy because this guy's multiplied. Why are they multiplying? This is getting better and better. Okay. We hear nothing. Let's go. That's at least. Wait, what if? Let me try this. Okay, no, that's not how you do shit. Okay, cool. Okay, my voice meter, the voice meter isn't recognizing any sound. Oh god, does anybody have a guide on this shit? It's system settings / options. Okay, that's cool. What's the system settings and options? System tray? I don't know what that means. Cool. How the like two outs? Main out? Virtual out? Okay. I mean, I only need 2 outs if I can help it. Maybe. I don't know what that means. Is this supposed to... How do I use was meter? Somebody help me. Okay. Okay, what's the guide on this? Well, at least okay. It'll work. I don't think anybody gets sound anymore. Oh boy. What's running like ass? Stop. Let's Googling. Let's Google on YouTube Googling. Oh, it doesn't even run the videos. Audio render error. Oh my. It wants me to restart my computer. That's crazy. What do you mean that guy's disabled? Of course we're gonna have issues if one of these guys is disabled. Oh wait, the guy was supposed to be disabled. Right. How would I forget? Okay, do any of the sound devices work anymore? Okay, it may not be... I'm not playing YouTube's fault. Okay, everything is broken. Great. Probably we need a restart. Well, thankfully we didn't need sound anyways, I guess. Cool. We had a good thing. I broke it. We are done with that, I guess. No John today, huh? I mean, I suppose I should really be doing that off stream since you can't even see it. Oh, anyways. I don't know if this even works anymore. Anyways, not my problem. Oh wait, it will be. In the future. Can I please touch my own stuff? Like, what's the status of this whole project? Audio recording. I don't even need that. Bad. Let's basis. I'm pretty sure that makes some kind of sense. In my universe, woohoo! Actually, the base, I don't think that's right, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright. But I have on plan. No, I don't actually. I lie. What? Okay. Clear comment. Git comment. STT. No. Different. I said specific audio device by ID. ID. That's a good comment. Oh yeah. I'm out of my freedom. I'm out of freedom, huh? Yes. Need to fix the STD. I don't think we're fixing it today. XB. XB. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing so good. I really should have thought about what we're doing. This is another good. There's another good plan. Well, anyways, it'll be a short stream then, I guess. Depending on what we do, what we accomplish. Huh. Oh, fuck that guy there. Let's rewrite Mike to Versclave. Well, that's kaput. It's a bit kaput. Okay, who are all the guys that call on the hills? In some else, I didn't need to do that. Okay, so many callers. Oh. Do you even need to be a class? I want to learn of your crap. I mean, it could have a class of classes, I guess. No, that would we just break it into different files. Anyways, maybe just abandon the whole static method idea. This whole idea, just make it a. Oh, I could have just pressed pro at the end. No. No, will. Can we use the static method operate? Can we use static method? No, I can't remember what static method was about. I think it was just they didn't use self. It would be redundant. I mean, this guy's sound like a genius. Import model details as you cannot be kidding me. Absolute cinema. What are the chances this works? Don't ask me. I'm the one. I'm only the guy who invented this. Oh, that's a waste. Anyways, what is this? Wizard. You'll go to and get my dataset. You'll run the dataset you touch. I know, great name. No more your name datasets. What do you mean? I don't know if my guy should even have that. Yes, I don't know if /then UB, I think. Fuck, it's been too long. I can't remember. What do you think? I remember. Oh, it was right. I'm a genius. Me big brain. Me like big brain. Me. I don't know, something. That's crazy. That works. Okay, apparently. I'm a genius. Okay, well, anyways, let me take the element utils. I wanna change these. Everybody else's name better. What is data say dict? Can this a dict teach me? The dick. What do you mean you import it? Oh god, you're so stupid. You import. Wait. Why? Wait. Whoa. Why are you importing it? You're not even using it. Holy crap. Can you believe this guy? I'm so done with you. Is it the from list? I guess I presume. Oh, okay, I guess. Dataset is a class. Okay, it's a class. Yum. Everybody else's naming schemes are so nice. Mine isn't. Mine suck. Well, I don't like the sounding. Yeah. Somebody show me. Other than this shit. What was that on my content? Whatever. On the contain. Useful. Be named. Awesome. What's the convention for importing? I need to do this. For naming this. No convention. Oh, okay, can I find that? I have an idea. Where is it? Where is it? Let me go to your house. Where's your house? There's your home. So, where's your guy? Where's your guy? Where's your datasets? Huh? Do you know about dataset guy or dataset or datasets? This doesn't seem like the guy. Oh no, but there you go. Does anybody know someone called datasets? Datasets? Are you the datasets? Is your name datasets? No? No, really. That's a different guy. Oh wait, why am I here? Oh, we should find all the pieces of information. I don't know how auto tokenizer is named. By whom must we? Only one of us needs to be stupid. Okay, you have the Transformers library, right? Okay. Well, from Transformers import. None of them is really named an auto tokenizer. Nobody's named auto tokenizer. So where do you call this guy? Yeah. Oh, class. Well, that doesn't help me. I don't know what that means. Shall I? I don't think that's it. Oh, oh no. Oh no. So many of these. What about there's so many files? Okay. Titles? Yeah, I have no clue. What the fuck is here? There's so many files for this. I better know what a split doc test is. Oh, transformer stuff. Okay, I have no clue. Now, that was a kind of invention. What names? Let's see. Lowercase with others. I think capitalize. I dis. Oh, I hate Google. Well, Google search. Somehow the Gemini is completely fine. Well, the lobotomized, but whatever. This is something the hell is with capital K's. Why are they capital K's? What the hell? What is going on? They didn't really explain this. I don't think it really explains this. Oh, there's part of the pep. But who reads ducks anymore? Modules, damn modules. Oh, I just go. Okay. Da-da-da-da. Another random those. Oh, my son. I know. Yeah, my ass. Yeah, I get the basic idea, I guess. But yeah. I wanna understand what the other guys are. Class from a module. We have a module as a class. So datasets has a module that's a class dataset dict. Alright? Cool. Same with this guy. So it would have a class. It can have a class. Why the hell would it have a class? I guess dataset dict could have unique stuff. Wait, what's the point? Uh-huh. I guess if the class is not uniquely insane. And what more you tell us as oh, that's annoying. I want it to be short. Short. Well, okay. But why would we do this? Okay, do we need to do it? Do we need to do this? I mean, technically we don't, but I wonder if it's just if it's a word. Does it read easier? I think the class only makes sense if you actually have class stuff in there. If it actually makes use of classes, I guess. Or like, makes use of the class. How an aesthetic system doesn't really make sense. Uh, hmm. What if? Yeah. Okay, what if? Okay, what if? Oh, I have a fun. Have a module full stuff and I want to import as what should name be naming convention be? What should it be? How do we import? I don't even know. Also should should we should we have no, that doesn't make sense. It can't make sense simply because it's stupid. Add split, okay. Okay, that's something. That's a base or a base? Yeah. Oh, you don't even do that. You're a main function. No. You're a mainer. You're a main. You're a runnable file. You're meant to be run. You don't have any actual work. What do you do? I have no idea how this is supposed. That is not even in a function. This is the most confusing shit I've ever seen. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I don't like this, guys. An input data class, you make a new type of what? Data collator? You do that. I sure shit made a class like this. Does anybody call anybody? That'd be cool. don't. I don't want to split. Yep. I'm gonna do my way. Dipshit, that's not how you do it. What is it? Close that so I go. Oh my lord. Ele é sempre pequeno. Unambiguous. Honestly, fuck it, will let's import more utils. Now all utils shall bow down to moral utils and its great supremacy. What I mean? Why is bro calling sentence reducer? Wait, why is it model utilist calling another model utilist? What the fuck is with you guys? Oh. Honestly, I don't even think this is valuable code. Yeah, re. I don't know what the hell your re is even about. I mean, I could have this, but these are deprecated as shit. Deprecated. Like it's purposes. Purposes. I'm gonna keep them just in case, though. I'd have to come back and be like, wow. Oh, I need that. Yeah, that's fun. Oh, I'm No, you're gone. You're not an import, nor an import. But model utils, all of my utils will now be model utils. Congratulations, they've all been reduced. Model utils. Everybody reduced to nothingness. That's what we like to see. Ooh, wee, oh. Import, 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 import. Really, I only have 2 calls? My god. Let's go. Hoo-ha! Hee-hoo-ha! Yeah, fine. Import. Import. I like this, but I don't like anything else either. Oh, fuck you. Why does that guy get caught now? Oh, I got came down again. Oh my god, did I hit in my ass? My leg, my feet, my foot. What do I mean there's no... Oh no. Oh no. Oh bro, no. That's crazy. Anyways. Mare, violas, containers. Säädöstävyydetä. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So smart me smart, smart. Me come back. Although that's dead in the water. We ain't touching that bird anymore. Utils. Those who have no need for all the utils have no rights either. What are your use cases? Can you justify yourself? You're loading characters. You have no justification. You have no justice. To rum model. Okay, wait. Okay. I'm bought. Correct. Prompt wrapper. Yeah, that seems right. They seem correct. Although, I guess... Is it? Is there any real difference? Specific function from a module and system importing the entire module. Is there a real difference? Namespace management, readability, and minor external performance. The biggest difference? Bam. Pros, clarity, readability, avoid typical bit of a... Same module, module name, import specific function. I am concerned about that. Nope. Sufficient memory, usually negligible. What I import version? Entire module, or execute saying that one. Module initial module memory for printing the module's code and its top level object function class global variables loaded in the memory when the module if this failure is imported. Regardless of the import statement syntax. As usually, Nicholas Williams burning a name differently. My saving is if they a very large and only tiny fraction of its contents is ever used. Basically useless. Cool. Good style and naming, huh? Just wanna import. Just wanna import and call them, or do I want to? Do I wanna? Oh god. Do I wanna? Do I want to import and call? No. Do I wanna import module and then? Do I just use the model utils name, or do I wanna use some other name? I think it's equally equally confusing if I do anything else. So I can't see a reason. I don't say a reason, I guess, because it might be confusing anyways. That's cool. That models the doing. Yeah. What's all the stuff you do? You do a apply, you do an apply, you do an apply. Yeah, random and character reply cleaner. You don't even you deprecated as shit. But from model utils, well, import. Apply shit template. Abstract method. What a name. Oh, whatever. Get around. I don't really use it, but I'll keep it around. Utils, Robert, utils, go away. You go away. You shall go away, I shall go away, everybody shall go away. This is so old. What an old code. Cool. Okay. That's fine. This is fine. I think this is... whatever. Well, utils import. Who else do we want to import? Lord character. And then from wrapper. Dead. And dead. Ooh, I'm great. Greater than even great. I'm greater than myself. Look at that, I'm not the only one who names things weirdly. Cool, everybody else is doing it. Fine. I was sure everybody was being weirdos. Wait, wait, what's going on over here is the question, I guess. Is the most important one? It looks like it's none. Why did you bother? Oh, wait, that's crazy. That's Emperor. Oh. But considering it only does one thing. I guess. I might break. Oh, I could break modularity. Considering it doesn't do much. Is it really worth it? Low character. I don't think it uses anything else, to be honest. I guess you can set that to nothing. I don't know if this makes any sense, any practical sense, but I'm not the one asking questions. But let me be sure. Do you need that name? Do you even use that name? Well, I guess it's the only guy who would have benefit from this. Why don't you tell us? But you can just call it like that? Huh. Oh well. Oh well, how fascinating. Import. What are you looking for? Sentence terminator. Contains certain stem terminator. How fun. Actually, that used to be an old. I'll leave it as an old gun. For now. Oh, beep, boop, beep, boo. Okay. Okay, there's anything else. We did that. I'm gonna commit this. That's to make sure. Okay, comment. Brr. Model utils. No, important. And utils class dropped. Import only necessary utils. Necessary utils from. Okay, that's good. No, we were here. That was actually. I want to take a look at that. What it's doing with my text. Okay, I assume it comes back with some text. What is this bro doing? Alright. I think that's the whole actual problem. Yeah, I think it's literally just drop this guy. So as long as you give this guy this, it'll actually fix the output stuff. Probably. Okay, what else is on our list of shit to do? Okay, well, we can't reroute any mics anymore because any cables because we broke everything. So that's fun. That's a fun thing. That's a fun thing. That's after transcribing media data. Oh, we already have that. It's just we don't have the cables for that. Our system isn't built for that. Limited utility application is a simple file. Okay, that's true. I already did that. Well, debug all messages of that for. I'm pretty sure we did that just now because that was it was doing John. It was doing John. I was doing basically John output and so on. So basically not the good stuff. Nothing good. That's why I was basically cramming his own ass. It's imploding so fast. So grandly. As I don't know if it's 100% working, but it'll be fine. No, I think it's fine. Yeah. And that's the... Oh, yeah. Oh, service. Wrong way. Handling. Shot the memory. Okay. I know we changed one thing and we're making such a big deal out of it. But also like the easiness of this version. Okay. Do we have the word count anyway? Word count termination, user speech word count termination. Dialogue, this is complete kaput. This is complete kaput. I know more. Useful. I no longer useful. So useless. It does not serve us no more. Wow, 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 wow. Cool. Your speech word again, if no words, print word count. I don't think. I don't want. Ooh, wow, look at that. We're wasting so much energy on this. Yeah, we don't need this. Oh no. Let's cut it. Can I come back to you? I'm gonna throw you out the window. But for now, that's not the biggest problem we have. Energy. Energy. Energy threshold, okay. Uh-huh. But even have the president. Oh, okay. Other refactors, better. Anyways, energy, yeah. Yeah. But the problem here is that I'm pretty sure it doesn't do it as it's doing. Or somehow I can't release it when it comes down to it. Maybe, or maybe it can, and my system's just stupid as shit. Well, we'll have to check that once we get our cables back. Oh yeah, well, how do I wanna do the configuration for this? I guess it would need its own config file, but I don't know. I mean, actually, it could have a config file. I need to have a config loader, I guess. Isn't it basically the same shit? Yeah, it's basically the same shite. I use the config. There's a lot of config a lot. Config. Config, config, config. You can load configs now. Okay, you can load your config. Shit. Config shoe. Also need your config. On the file, you're gonna get the config, the JSON. This will set all of your shit. Model size. I ain't doing that like that. Well, actually. It was large V3. Oh wait, not equal. It's this way. Fuck all is your problem, dipshit. Really? What a dipshit. Device. I mean... I'm gonna make it cuter. Well, it's not like this matters. Default is CPU. Yeah, you could just be CPU. So I don't know why that guy's trying to be so slick. But does the model device matter here? I guess... Nah, we'll leave it to handle it automatically. Import utils.config. I don't know if that's a smart idea. No. It's not. Config import load config. Right. I think we'll do that. Oh, fuck. What the hell is it? What config? Who calls it? None of these assholes called it. App config? What do you mean there's an app config? I don't know. Even I don't know about new config. From common import config as app config. Okay. Load config. Oh, you guys load it. It should really be an SSD base. But for now, the configuration config, and now just config dot. Okay. Model size. I think these are your right stuff. If I'm wrong, then too bad. Elbozo, I guess. Pop, pop, pa da pa. Yep. I don't know why you'd mess with that guy. Oh, pa, 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 boop. Oh. Sample rate. Okay, can we make a bit of space? What is a bit of space? That will be 1600 chunk size. I don't know if I think that's real. I'm not sure you're lying to me. One audio type. Oh, come on, can you stop the chunking? Chunk. Your pipe. Oh wait, that's D type. Yeah, no, it's float 32. Still trying. I respect the hash, the effort, but man, do you keep getting that wrong? Still wrong. RAM size. Oh fuck. Well, you don't get that, I guess. Config dot. I'm wondering if you even this is how you even do this stuff. Channels, yeah. Config dot audio d type. Config dot frame duration. Okay, that's cool. That aggressiveness. Aggressiveness. It was something 3-3. That aggressiveness. Oh ho ho. Frame size is determined by this, so it's not our problem, I guess. Boom, bam. Okay, and there's initial speech timeout. I'm just gonna get rid of these guys, by the way. Initial speech timeout. Oh, ass. 5.0 max phrase duration is no, bro. You can have that. You can have the Well, silence after speech. No S. I don't know if that's good idea, bad idea. Oh well, yeah. Energy threshold. Underscore DPFS will be negative 31.0 for now, for mine, for my stuff. For now, for my stuff. Anybody else can. They can choose their own stuff. Max refrigeration. Yep. Config.max. Nice. Silence. Silence. Config. Energy threshold BPFS. Ooh, excellent. Excellent. Who else exists? No. Not you, surely not you. Neither you, nor you. Isha. Woo. I don't think there's anybody else there. Yeah, you can slow that shit. That shit in. Great LCD slash. Like that's its own. Pie. That pie. The pie. Oh, fuck all, I mean, it doesn't exist. Oh, red config file. For STD. Boom. Cool. Okay. Another reel. They're so real. I don't know if this guy deserves it, but he might. Can I get this? No, I don't. Nah, I don't think this guy. It's worth it with this guy. Because we're probably gonna modify him. Modify his ass. Whatever. Anyways, there's no config for it. Remove work account. I already did that. Oh yeah, LMQ is full. Oh. It can't be full, so pretty straightforward. Boom. There's no point to wasting an if statement. If the statement call. Now this is better. Are you called by anybody? Anybody intelligent, I mean? No. Not really. Not really. Oh yeah, do you even have a purpose anymore? Ooh, boy. Look. Have I ever used I was looking for past speaker. Oh. Oh, raw input. Okay. I guess we need to refactor this. The finding speaker and message dialogue service. Does it need to, no, it does need to get the speaker. Let's feed the speaker into the text. Oh wait, well, it should have a filter, but for the basic for basic reasons, we can just have the message. This way it still knows the speaker, but it'll need to deal with this restream bot. Basically, it needs to be able to extract the actual name. Extract just name even from but okay. Alright, we're doing good. So this is kinda just useless. Will be replaced with better util. No? Better. Oh man, you got me tweaking. Pause speaker. Do you really need that? I guess it's all the same. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Received message. Cause not properly initialized. Shit. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is fun. This is fine. Alright. Well, they needed? Okay, good. So what did I actually do? But I wasn't paying attention. Oh, bye. Status? Status rather? Removed. Moving to a better. User extractor. Speaker extractor for what? Well, for message okay. For now we don't need that part. Oh wait, oh, I shouldn't have done that. Because we can have the... Oh, there's a plan, there's a plan. The information will be the speaker, right? You know? Basically, we can have that, but just have the speaker be... Yeah, okay, I'm gonna make a note of that. From resume bot or speaker be use prompt rapper. Okay, so it'll tell it the speaker, right? The context will tell who to speak. So who is speaking, right? Unless, oh my god, it might be. I'll be really stupid. Let me think. Oh, does the prompt wrapper have a point? It might have a future point. I'm just thinking about how to feed it the character names. I meant the speaker names. Yeah, maybe it can be like... Again, maybe it can be something simple like... said this, person said this, right? The user said this or whatever. Probably pretty simple. Pretty simple way of dealing with it. I just wonder if I'll have complications in the future though. There might be a better way of just doing that. I was wondering, because if I train it, if I end up training, if the information part I end up training it on that user said this, user said that, user insert username said that, or this or that, it'll probably learn something, I guess. I guess it could learn. I could learn. It'll learn something. Maybe. Okay, I do have an idea of how to do it. Okay. Yeah. Because if it is just, you know, if for very specific cases where the name is said, the output name says the name, we can then put in the information box. Okay, said user said this. I think, yeah. That could be useful. Then for other parts, we can leave them empty in the train data, and then for some parts we might be able to just put different information in there if we really need. It'll be good. It'll be a good plan. For now, though, this is what we'll work with. Yep. I dropped that. Right, fuck. What's the language? Right, I think I need to set the config for that. Oh shit, it got it. Shut. Beam size 500. My brother. In Christ, I'm gonna be sent to the ER with that. Don't just use language and you'll use beam size. I don't know. That seems smart to me. Why does everybody complain? Everybody's a complainer. Alright, where's my brother? Model size. Language. Equals config language. Beam size. Config beam. This is. Beam is. Beam size of 4. Beams. Okay. That's selectable. Oh, but we'll eventually need to make it into something that's not just configurable, but something that's selectable. Many configs. I'm just gonna make a relative statement. Any config based needs should be select and the web UI version. Yeah. So basically, I think shit. Oh. Okay, apparently my mic. I smoked my mic. The mic doesn't like that. I heard you get banned for that these days, huh? The AI is throwing balls. But bots the... Wait, AI? Yeah, the AI bot... The police, YouTube police AI is throwing balls. I'm gonna ban you for even touching your mic. This is an audio backend config. Oh, right. That's a stupid shit I had. RCT added. And language and beam size to config in RCT. huge I need to drop configure. No, no, I think there's a way. I think there might be a way to get them to be selectable, even though they do have the configs, right? Anyways. Oh yeah, the audio backend config. I'm so forgetful of that. Audio backend. I don't even know what it is. What do you mean? Oh, there's only one of them. Well, audio backend settings are what? I don't know. Nobody knows. So it means something. Oh, I guess you could set this. Do we even care? But do we care? Meh. I'll make default. I don't want to set it because that's what gets us into trouble anyways. But maybe we need to, I don't know. We'll come back to that. Oh yeah, that's we dropped that. Oh, there's no mute button. There could be. No, that was dropped. Okay, basically that has been removed. Change as if transcribing media put audio data. Wait, transcribe, yeah. It can do it, it's just it can't just compete with me. I guess we have I'm gonna have two problems. I gotta figure out I gotta we have two main problems. First is I need to figure out how to figure out my virtual cable bullshit. Or virtual sound device cable, whatever the crap it is at this point. The second problem is that I gotta also figure out my new, well, not new, but well, basically gonna be new. I'm gonna have to figure. No, this is new, but let me start over. I'm gonna have to figure out also how to deal with how to do and deal with how to do and deal with how to get an agent, basically. How to get agents. How to get a agentic stuff back. They could either it'll turn into a there's two possibilities for the agent stuff. Either I can get a Gwen, maybe 32 billion, well, I don't know. Might be really stressing the imagination here. But maybe I can get that to run. And we can code with that, and it's gonna be really great. Maybe it's gonna suck ass. Hopefully not. Or I don't know. So either we're gonna have that playing with us, we're gonna have that running for us, or we'll have to fork over the money, or I might have to fork over the money to Gemini. No, not Gemini, but to try But do I really want to? I mean, it's not that much. It's not that much. Grand scheme of things. I don't actually know if they even allow me to buy it, but we'll have to look at it. Oh, let me think. Doesn't Microsoft have? What's the limit on it? Oh wait. What's the free version of it? Yeah, that's what you say, but 2,000 code completions per month. Oh wait, to get free 2,000 code completions per month. 80 per walking day, which is a lot. You also get 50 chat requests per month. Okay, I don't know what chat requests per month mean. Oh, I got it. Oh, there's a radio model. Gemini? Coming in this year? Why are they coming in this year? That sounds a bit odd. Okay, they got the Asian mode, sure, but oh yeah, I think they were bringing that over. Oh, right. The only problem and limitation is the 50 chat per month. Which I'm pretty sure. Well, I mean, I did say about 10 per day, so about 5 days worth of chats. So the pro plan, how much is that shit? For business. I'm a business, I think. Oh, that's fucked. Good review. What the crap are a premium? Premium request, huh? What's a premium request? Premium. Premium request, okay, Copilot chat, air mode, code review. Wait, what? Per user per month? What the fuck is this? This is absolute garbage. 300 per month? Oh man. Oh, that would be monstrous. So how's an individual's pricing? Okay. There's not a lot of difference. Oh, it's pretty expensive for what it's worth. I mean, $19 for per month. That's about 20. So $20 per month. That's about 240 per year. Okay, this is unrelated. This is totally unrelated to what I'm doing. Honestly, I think I gotta figure out how am I gonna deal with my agents and my virtual cables first, and then I'll come back in. It's not a whole lot of fun doing everything by myself. By myself, I mean, I'd rather have the agent do my job for me. Because I don't care about writing no readme, even though it's on my list of things to do. And modifying the OAuth for YouTube to be YouTube centric. I mean, it's not that hard to just. It's technically not that hard to just go to AI Studio and copy paste code, but it's also not convenient. I'm gonna have to go figure this shit out. This is a very short stream. It is actually short for once. Yeah, I'll come back once I figure that shit out. Okay, after stubborn ban, I'll go to one. I'm gonna go figure this out. I'll back. I don't want to say when. Probably tomorrow. Okay, baby. Maybe tomorrow, who knows? No promises.